Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the alternative of the if-else conditions. If you go and check, you will see that there is a lot of like evaluating the code level. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines of code we are writing in if-else case. How to eliminate it? Alternative of if-else conditions in one single line. Yes, we have that is called ternary operator. Okay, so let me introduce you the ternary operator. So here let's remove this, and same thing we are going to log age prompt, and here we are going to var result if, and make it age is greater than 18. You will print, here is the conditional operator with question mark, where it is question mark. If age is greater than, you can print applicable to vote, else not applicable. The simple text applicable, not applicable to vote. Okay, so this is the one liner, correct? Then console.log result. Then we start check it. Load, enter your age, that is 12. Result, we haven't printed. So this 12 result not applicable to vote. If I put 19 applicable to vote. So this is one liner, and it's very easy to readability, and you can see if the cleaner code, and whether you want to go and just readability is not correct with this if else condition. So I preferably use the ternary operator, and it's one liner, and makes your code readable, and use less lines of code in your editor, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment.